Reconciliation of marketplace business is extremely important if you want to ensure smooth sustaining business with optimum profitability. eVanik One World Suite has a real-time reconciliation dashboard which summarizes your overall reconciliation for a specific date range for particular marketplaces in a single snapshot. How to view the reconciliation dashboard? This dashboard is divided into five sections: sales, returns, channel commissions and fees, payments, and your overall reconciliation summary. In this example, I'm going to select a particular date range. As you can see from the drop-down filter, you've got predefined date ranges inbuilt, or you can even select a custom range. Let's assume I want to see my reconciliation summary for this month. For Amazon channel, I just click on submit. In the first column, you can see the specific month for which we will get the reconciliation report. Then we go to the sales section. The sales section is divided into three parts and may be seen as you can see on the screen. Gross sales. This includes the cumulative value as per the orders for all order statuses. Delivered. This includes the cumulative value of all orders where the status is delivered or shipped. This implies that the invoice of a particular order has been generated and the order is either delivered to the buyer or is in transit. Replaced. Replaced orders include all those orders which have been replaced on customer channel request. Replaced orders will have a significant effect on your overall reconciliation. The next section is returns. Return section has been divided into two parts. Received orders are those which have been physically received at the seller location or the seller warehouse. In case of FBA or the fulfilled by channel mode, these are automatically received in eVanik One World Suite. You may view the complete list of return orders in a return section. Gross orders include returns received and returns not received. These include the list of all returns which are marked or initiated by the channel or marketplace as returns. Channel commission and fees. The channel commission and fees section has been divided into three parts and may be read as below. Total is the cumulative value of all the fees, commissions, and charges levied across all order statuses and replacements for that particular time period which you've selected. Delivered. The delivered commission is the value of fees, commissions, and charges levied on orders which have been delivered or shipped to the customer. The returns commission is the value of fees, commissions, and charges levied on orders which have been returned or initiated as returned by the marketplaces. The next section is payment section. The payment section is divided into two parts. One is receivable and the other is settled. The receivable section comes out of the calculation from your sales, returns, and commissions, and settled is what has been actually remitted to your bank account for the orders of a particular period that you've selected. Within the receivable section, you've got total, delivered, and returns for both receivable and settled. This gives you a variance between what money you should have received from the channel versus what you've actually received. The last and the most important section is the reconciliation summary. The reconciliation summary is the final outcome of the algorithms applied in the previous sections. This is divided into three parts where the gaps could normally occur in a marketplace business. The first section talks about unpaid orders. Unpaid orders essentially means the orders for which you've not been paid any money till now. Followed by this is the underpaid orders. Underpaid orders are those orders for which you've been charged more fees. This could be an account of wrong commissions being charged, shipping excess, or any other charges which should not have been otherwise levied. The total column totals up the unpaid and underpaid orders. In the returns reconciliation summary, the first section talks about all the returns which you have not received. This means that the marketplace has initiated those returns, but you have not physically received them. Reimbursement is the reimbursement that you've received for orders which will never come back to you physically and or the orders which have been damaged, lost, and are not sellable again. The total of this talks about the overall reconciliation summary. The last section is about wrong deductions. Wrong deductions can be on account of two things. The first one being courier returns, in which essentially all those returns which have been returned by the courier or logistics partners have been charged to you. And the second section is wrong charges, which talks about various charges, including your wrong shipping fees, wrong shipping zone, wrong fixed fees, collection fees, or any other fees which has wrongly been charged. This also includes the wrong commission rates that would have been charged. The total of this is the reconciliation result for that particular month. The other feature in this tool is that all of these highlighted orders can be clicked and download in an Excel CSV format. Well, I'm downloading this particular report, which opens up all the orders which have not been paid by the marketplaces. You can download this in a CSV or an Excel format as you may like. That's it. Keep a track of all your reconciliation dashboard reports on a regular basis so that you get an alert if anything is going wrong in terms of your reconciliation overall. Thank you.